Hello everyone, welcome to our AI studio. So, today we are going to actually see how we can be the AI engineer in 2024. This was the most demanded topic to be discussed in a video, and this was a lot of comments were coming about how we can be AI engineer from the scratch. So, yeah, we are going to discuss that thing. So, let's go on our computer screen. Yeah. So first of all, this is going to be our AI roadmap. I will be giving you the whole PDF in the description. And first of all, I will thank to Code Basics. Code Basics has actually made this thing. So I really like this thing that, okay, they have made it very beautifully and it is too good. So that's why we are going to use that thing. And let's start with this thing that how to be the AI engineer for the beginners. Yeah, how to do it from the scratch. That is the important thing. So, what is the prerequisite for the being? Okay, so first thing is that what is AI engineer? Let me define it for you. AI engineer is sort of a data scientist because you have to work on the data, and that is and plus software engineer. So it is, of course, it is well understood that AI engineer is a combination of both. So there is some prerequisites like you must have skills or interest. Yeah, that is the thing. I will say one thing is that you just have to have interest, a strong interest in the AI, and you can explore it. Then you'll be more interested, and then you'll continue this thing. Fine. So these are some tools that you have to master for being an AI engineer or a machine learning engineer. So you can see Python is there, SQL, then DSA, GitHub, Pandas, EDA, machine learning concepts, and deep learning, then NLP, and then MLOps. And what is the core skills? So core skills will be the computer science fundamentals, maths, statistics, and communication is also there. That like soft skills also matters a lot, and business understanding. If you will understand the business, then you can build tools based on that thing. So that is quite important. So let's see this thing. Like week zero, do proper research and protect yourself from the scam. Yes. So there are a lot of people who are claiming that they can give you the job guarantee 100%. Okay, bro. This in this era of AI, this is completely unpredictable that you will get 100% job guarantee from a course. No, it is not true. Actually, this is a changing era, so you have to be better and you have to make better projects to be placed in any company. So, first thing is that don't go in the scams. And I will personally say that I have learned machine learning, deep learning, and NLP from the YouTube itself. You will get a lot of free resources. You will see. I'll be sharing with you the resources. Free resources are there that you can learn from the YouTube itself. There is no need of any courses to buy. Yes, yes. In our channel, there is a playlist of the machine learning where I am teaching the machine learning book, and there's also the generative deep learning. I am also teaching the generative deep learning, generative AI. So you can also study from there, and what you like, you just prefer that thing. Okay, fine. So week zero is just like do some research about AI. That what is the AI? What the things are like. ChatGPT is there, Midjourney is there. So you can just have some research on it.
Week 1 Fundamentals.
Then comes the part week one and week two. So we are actually dividing it in the weeks so that you will have a target that in this week I will cover this thing. Okay, so maybe you will get summer vacation or something like that. You can utilize that summer vacation with this all steps, or you can also do some part time work. Like there is a very beautiful quote like your future doesn't decide what you do in 9 to 5. It decides from 5 to 9. Like after the school or a college work, what you do that or a job you can say. So after that, what you do is the most important thing. So that is, maybe you can say that is the working on your passion or something like that. Fine. So okay, we are going to see that on the week 1 and 2 there will be computer science fundamentals, fully fundamental things we are going to learn, like bits and bytes, storing text, numbers, binary number. What is the binary number? 0 or 1, basics of computer networks, IP address, internet routing uh, protocol, TCP, HTTP, World Wide Web. So basically, you will get overview that what is the computer science field is, and some algorithm basic. What is the algorithm? Which type of algorithms are there? So you can just access it from here. I'm just going to show you. So this is the one of the Khan Academy courses. You can also see, or you can. I will tell a more convenient way of doing it. Yeah. So you can see here that you can just copy it. Just copy the this thing and just paste in the chat GPT and tell it that teach me in simple way. So this is a very good way to learn these things. Or you can also watch the video. Here is the Khan Academy course. You can just take it up. Okay. So you can just go through this digital information, internet, programming, algorithm. It is almost from the scratch. So you can also go and see it. Okay. So ChatGPT also teaches better. You can also check it out. Fine. The beginner Python. Yeah, Python is the language we are going to use for our whole AI journey. There is a R language also, but Python is more used language, programming language. So let's see that most used programming language. Let's see who is in the top. So by this data, there is JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Then there is a Python. Yeah. So Python is a modern language. For the JavaScript used, JavaScript, HTML, CSS are used for the website making. That's why it is more used. So fine. In this thing, you have to learn about the variables, strings, lists, dictionary sets, tuple. So you can just see this thing. Okay, like these are all things you have to study. Like if condition is there, functions are there, modules, pip install, like read write files and different various topics you have to. These are actually the basics. So you can also follow this thing. I have followed this thing. Like this is the Python 3 lecture from the code basics itself. So you can just see from it, see from there. Then there is a core. You can also see this, or you can also search for the Python for machine learning by Harry. Code with Harry. Code with Harry is also quite good. He taught very good in this. Like it is the 90-day challenge, so you can also go through this thing. Fine. So these are the learning resources. Then there is a Python course. I will actually not recommend you to buy any course. Any course. It is the free courses, bro. So please, like watch on the YouTube. You will be get more hands-on learning experience. I will say, yeah. Then one thing is important, that is create a professional looking LinkedIn profile. What is the professional looking LinkedIn profile? Have a clear picture and banner image, add tags as open to work, etc. Use this LinkedIn like checklist too. Okay, so here is the checklist. You can see here. There is a checklist. So you can just download it. The checklist is there that how you can like make it very professional. So I'm going to show my LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn. So you can see if I'm zooming, you can see here that there is a Raj Secrets. My name is here, so it is personalized. So here is the link. You can just click here and see that how to make the personalized links also. So now you can see that it is quite clear picture that okay, it's quite clear picture and it's in professional, of course. Then you can tell about yourself that AI ML researcher, open source contributor, project manager, and YouTube content creator. So you can put it like here is the github.com. Like I have put it the link of the GitHub. You can just go and check it out. Then you can also feature on your LinkedIn some things. But yeah, the basic thing is that keep this image and then banner and write something about yourself. If you are a student, you just write as like a student from the university, something like that. You can just customize it from here by clicking this on this, and you can customize it. Okay. Then LinkedIn is quite important. Why it is important? Because I am just opening my feed. Just see this. Santiago is one of the good scientists, you can say, and he's, I will not say scientist, he's a good engineer. He really explains in a very good way. So you can just connect with him. Krishna is one of the, I will say, one of the best creators. Code Basics, Krishna, these are the best creators for the AI. So now let's just see that how he posted that I want to thank you. So yeah, like many people are getting jobs by you by learning from YouTube channels itself. So it is you that how you utilize this thing. You can see that he is also maybe the computer vision engineer from the RoboFlow. So, RoboFlow is actually a computer vision platform. Steve Nori is also the generative AI founder, like a company is there. So you can connect a lot of people on the LinkedIn. So what is the assignment for this? Assignment is that finish all these exercises, and after finishing, create a professional looking LinkedIn profile. So, bro, if you are making a LinkedIn profile, then please connect with me. I will be giving the link. Then you can just go and search there, or you can also search Raj Secrets, and you'll get me. Okay, so here is the Raj Secrets, and let's on the week 5 to 6 data structures and algorithm. Yeah, so these are some basics of the data structures and algorithm in Python. You have to learn in the Python. You can check it this YouTube playlist. It is also from the code basics itself, and there is a Kaggle. Uh, Kaggle thing is there, so you have to explore that what is the Kaggle. Kaggle is a platform by the Google, and it actually have a lot of competitions. You can go through it, and you can just see that how competitions are there, LLM prompt recovery, and a lot of things are there. You can also check it out. Fine. Then then it is just like you have to just complete the data structures. Don't be afraid of this thing. This is very simple data structures. Like you have to just know about which type of data structures are there, like how you will transform the data into a structure. So that is the important thing. Then after 7 to 8, like in the 7 to 8 week, you'll be seeing this thing that advanced Python inheritance generators, iterators. So it will be actually used in it. So you can just go through this video, and yeah, again I'm saying that I will giving the link of this PDF so you can access it from there. Then the one most important thing is that you have to follow the good people. Good, you have, if you will follow good people on the LinkedIn, then in the feed there will be great things will be there. I actually be updated by the LinkedIn itself. That's why I make the content very fast. So there is you can say Dhawal Patel is there, Daliana Louis is there. She is also researcher from the MIT also. So, okay, no, not MIT. Actually, it is ex-Amazon data scientist. So yeah, you can see this thing and start engaging with the AI content creators. Just comment below that, oh, it is amazing. You can see. Just go on the home, and this is the post actually. So you can just comment, like it, comment below, interact with the people. Okay, so people actually replies you. If you will write a post, tagging them also helps a lot. Online presence is a new form of resume. Yes, it is quite important. Many people get their jobs from the LinkedIn itself. Okay. So there are business fundamentals. You can just follow the Think School and other case studies. So you can enhance your our mind and ideas. Then you can go and connect on the Discord server. So there is a code basics Discord servers also there. We'll be starting it from after some days. But yeah, for now you can follow this thing. An assignment is like you can write a meaningful comment, 10 AI related LinkedIn post. Like you can comment below that, and three case studies. So you have to, if you will do it very religiously, then it will be awesome. This guide is really awesome. So next in week 9, we will be learning about the version control, Git and GitHub. Like what is the Git and GitHub is there, add, commit, push. Because all the codes you will write, you will push on the GitHub. Like you can see my GitHub here. Like it, the link will be in the description. You can just check it out. So my all the works are there. So you can see here, like ML project 2024 real time hand gesture is there. So you can also see here. So I was making a project, so I have uploaded it, and then it will be awesome. Like I will show any recruiter, or I will put in the resume also. So you can just get the links from here. Then the presentation skill is also quite important. You presentation skills is also very good. So you can also learn from it from here. And I am like in the week 10 and 11. Okay, week 10 and 11, you have to learn about SQL. Yeah, SQL is quite important to learn because you are going to deal with the data also. So you can just go through these topics. The learning resources are like Khan Academy SQL course are there, YT video is there. You can also check it out. You can check it out, SQL tutorial for beginners from the code basics itself. So they have given a lot of resources here. So you can practice it. Then there is a skill resume project challenge. So go through that challenge and then you can submit it. Now in the week 12, you will be starting the NumPy, Pandas, and data visualization. I know you will find that this is a long route, but yeah, everything is quite important in your journey. If you will not learn the things, it will be gap in your mind. So in your mind and knowledge base. So you have to also see this thing. Like NumPy is there and Pandas is there. Just access it from there. You can see here that there is a lot of stuffs are there. You can see it. Then there is a math and statistics for AI. So I will say that if you are like in the India and you are a JS, like if you are in a college like NIT, IIT, or you have given the exam JEE Mains, so I think it will be very easy for you. Like there's a vector matrices, eigenvalues, eigenvectors, basic of integration and differential calculus. So there are not lot of things like probabilities. They are somewhat, so you can just check it out from the given links. You can go and check it out. Okay. Then in the week, wait a minute. In the week 13, 14, 15, 16. So I will say that you can just do it in a 1 or 2 weeks. That is not, don't take more than that. And after that, there will be exploratory data analysis. Yes, it is quite important. You have to learn the EDA from Krish Nayak. So Krish Nayak has actually teaches the EDA. So you can just also follow this playlist. Okay. Now, after that, you will be starting the actual machine learning. Okay. So machine learning, learning the machine learning is, of course, you have to have some knowledge. Then there is a handling NA value, outlier treatment is there, train test split, cross validation. These all are the basic things in the machine learning. That there will be model building, supervised, unsupervised, regression, classification, linear models, and a lot of things. Like non-linear models are also there, linear models are there, then model evaluation will be there, like mean square loss, mean absolute loss. So these all things you have to learn. If it is okay that if you are not aware of these terms, after studying you will be of course aware of these terms. Then there is a learning resource here, you can just go through it. um, this thing, this is awesome, I have also done it. So, and there is a one project at the end also, I think. Yeah, there are two projects. So complete this two projects. This will give you a lot of understanding about this thing. Now there is a ML ops. ML ops is quite important because okay. So first see that learning resources there. Then project management is quite important. You have to learn about the project management, how a project to be done. If you really want that you have a team and you are working in a team, or if you are leading, then you need project management. So I will say that on the Coursera there is a course by the Google. You can see here. Okay, we'll project management. So you can see from here, like this is the course. It is opening. So foundations of project management, you can enroll it for the free. I really find it very helpful by managing a team. So that is quite interesting work also. So learn from that. Work on the two Kaggle ML notebooks. Then there is a two LinkedIn post here. Write two LinkedIn posts. That what you are learning. So people, one thing is that learn in public. Yeah, you just write a Medium article. I write the Medium articles, although I am not very consistent about it. But yeah, I write. Okay, because it helps me to be the consistent person. So you can also access it from here. Then there is a ML ops. ML ops, like what is the ML ops is like how you are deploying all the things. So that is quite important. Like MLOps is just like you can see CI/CD pipelines, containerization, and AWS, Azure, Fast API. You can check it out from the respective links. Then there is a machine learning project with deployment. Deployment is quite important. You have made the project, but you have nothing to showcase on a website or something like that. Then this is not the way you should do. You should properly implement the things on a website. That will be awesome. So here is the YouTube playlist link. You can just go and check it out. Then you have to prepare a resume, ATS resume preparation. So you can just check it out from this link and go and check it out. Then you can also build the portfolio. Portfolio is quite important. You can also do it on the GitHub or like Linktree. Then there is a lot of assignment you can just do, and you can see it from here. Then there is the deep learning part is there. Deep learning like forward propagation, back propagation, different type of CNN, RNN, LSTM. So you can just check it out from the respective links. Okay. And then after that, there will be computer vision and generative AI. Regex is there, count vectorize, a lot of like especially NL and LTK library is there, I think. And then computer vision is there. You for the computer vision, you will use the Murtaja OpenCV. Okay, he have taught in a really amazing way. You can just check it out. Like he have taught everything from the OpenCV, so you can just see it. And for the NLP, here is the link. You go, you can just go and check it out. So it is from the code basics itself. Then there is a LLM and Langchain. For the Langchain, you can also access this thing. Here's the Langchain basics to everything, or you can also check it the Krish Nayak Langchain video. So you have to for the resources also. Okay, so you can see that Langchain series is there. So here I've taught the full Langchain series. You can see here. Now, so we are at the end of this thing because, but it is not the end. It is actually the beginning of the AI exploration. So you have to explore the things um, step by step. You can first follow this thing step by step, then explore things like what is the rag is quite famous in these days. Every application is made by the rag, and there is whole Langchain, Langsmith, Llama index is there. So you can explore these things. Okay, so this is the whole thing, and yeah, this was the whole thing about this thing. Yeah, I will say that if you are watching this video till the end, then it is awesome. So please, so you have taken a first step. So in the comments, you write that you will complete this whole pathway of the machine learning, and you will be the AI engineer in 2024. So you just write it in the comments, and if you like this video, please subscribe it.